All right, and Ray, you will be a quaba silver team. Young word man quick, na and one maybe be a intimi uncle and Oba na wash share no subscribing. Well, this is the whole brand. A year, Kotoko Jesus now. Yeah. This is it. Let's try and show it to lovers of Obed TV. The whole brand and my Abba. I'm saying it here. Good. You can also get yours. 99 patronizing and Asante Kotoko and Korenim. So this is the whole brand. I'm in France, the robot come on. We don't have to be but for time fasted, I have other things to do. So you get your bag, the whole brand, you go purchase. And you all help Kotoko. Now, Emma Kotoko, it's me, I couldn't name. And news now, and not entirely positive, sir. A lot of negative news. Report about say how to folk and Asante Kotoko. Once it can be played at a different venue. Once a Kotoko Legon cities, alcohol. Kotoko Legon cities or more alcohol. All because Accra Sports Stadium issues kakra. So ahead of this Xmas, it is possible that teams in use Accra Sports Stadium now they can be prevented from using the place ahead of this Xmas. A lot of issues with that, but say Kumasi Asante Kotoko officially the Ghana Football Association I find Kumasi Asante Kotoko 80,000 Ghana cedis, 800 million for game boy against Nations FC our Brankese that unfortunate incident this year according to the Ghana Football Association one more air punish 80,000 Ghana cedis, 800 million, and the money will be given to Nations FC to help them repair the damages that is the punishment and Sheriff Mohammed defender also issues of misconduct. They've been charged. Said there was an issue between the referee and Sheriff Mohammed, a defender, Emma, and a whole lot of issues. Again, Issa Ahmed also was alleged, say, in an attempt to defend Asante Kotoko players, it looks like Oyanya issue. So they will go and they have to address it. And they are close to a year. Nations FC again in the match against Kotoko. They've been charged. Apia McCarthy in the match against Heart to Folk. In Swatremai in their match against Pechim United. Now at the same time, R2 in their match against Heart of Lions. Karela in their match against Bofo. Dreams has been suspended and they have been punished. They've been charged some could defend your more in their match against Mediama. Ediana in their match against Great Olympics. Asante Kotoko in their match against Karela. And I'm finding it difficult because Karela, my own incident here, it was Kotoko any dreams. That was the last match. And then an incident of referee Kakra Ekoso. But the news is what kind of cases now? Bebian Gold Stars against us, Brekum Chelsea against Bebian Gold Stars, Bechim against Mediama, and Bechim against Swatremai. Indeed, a long list of punishment and a issue out. The Ghana Premier League clubs which is also an interesting conversation. Now, Enra, the Tsunami Coronation Park, we will try and put the video by the side for you to really know what is going on. So, our Tsunami Coronation Park, what happened was that Coach Masokune was attacked by some section of Bofo of supporters. Now the news coming in indicates that this was a match. First of all, it be a game. Fans of Bofo wanted referee and normal penalty. So when you are watching the first video, it gives you an idea. An idea of after the game, when the fans were rushing onto the field. So, but for Qatar players are in the green and white as usual. and Suatreman the gold color jersey in the video. Now, the fans rushed onto the field because a fence, so they can jump over the fence. Now, when they rush there, now is a referee national at that same time, you can see Coach Masokredu in a green and white. At the end of the hospital, so on you Suatreman players need now. Into a moment free park and so. The time I said to that one be gate no mobile. The police had to rush the referee quickly to the dressing room. So at this time, no, you could see the bottles, no, say Eba Park into referee, no, so that was the time, and supporters need be brave. ATSC Park, and so until they had to even close the inner perimeter gates, no, to some of the supporters will be able to even the flag. And that was what was happening. Initially, it was the referee, and I'm not pleased with his performance. But news coming in, it just said Maso couldn't call his players. On the video now, he was calling his players to come together. But unfortunately, fast anchor dressing room. They stayed on the field. Titama Titafon Begu Park, Musu be Bromo per referee no man. And after that, almost so many bread. And Coach Masokredu. So allegedly, the news out there said Coach Masokredu, unfortunately, a break staff for never Boppy so park in the son. He passed a commentary and said that Anya a year at staff one a day. Anya staff one a day. MH staff one. A tool. I say Coach Masokredu so. A to say Coach Masokredu so. Emma and also quite the same baby. And that is the news that is coming in that I'm giving it to you, our Obed team. And your motor share so and I'm bro now referee no I'm no koto I'm the referee the omiti save unfortunately Baba so credit the pride. Now many breaking news with regards to Asante Kotoko and how to folks this year. I'll give you that breaking news. I'll give you that breaking news. Oh, I'm remember this year. And that was Masokredu incident, no. Emma when the share. They said temporarily at the suspension and the up to a year the stadium, that is Tsunami Coronation Park. Now, based on the rules and regulations of Ghana Football Association, when a home team is being punished, his matches should be played in such a way, sir. The away teams and Quebec home, no, it will not be a disadvantage to them in terms of the distance of the Yomukobo ball. So, Bofo Katano, so all check it on matches are likely so Obed Samates, Asante Kotoko, and I think Lagos City, if I'm not wrong. These are the matches I likely say Bofo Katano Bebo home. The next 3 games, good. Now their next 3 home matches now, based on the FA regulations now, as I said, you're born closer to the away team if you are being moved out of your home team, which means that Bofo Katano ain't mean go Suatre. First of all, it makes no sense. So Abu Suatre man now go home matches with Suatre man. So Suatre is out. The next available venue, Doma, which is out because all the Kotoko Doma, it means Kotoko will travel Kotoko to Kumasi to Sunyane as compared to Kumasi to Doma Ewa. So Doma is out. Brekum is also out. Next about the Cap Bichim. Because Bechem there, I mean that Samates and travel a longer distance. Lagos City and travel a longer distance. Kotoko and travel a longer distance. Again, so Bofo and Kotoko, the 2 available venues now, or let's say 3 available venues, depending on how Bofo will make their argument. Say one, is either they will play the match at Bechem, or they'll come and play it at the Barbara Sports Stadium. Ebe Kotoko home, but indirectly Bofo home. Scan ebe banebe kobo for, which to some extent it makes sense because comparing Bechem to Kumasi, no Kumasi Benyeska Bebere, Kotoko Benyeska, or they'll go and play it at Abrankese. These are the possible venues for Bofo Katano in their next matches: Bechem, Kumasi, Barbara, or Abrankese. So if Kotoko Bofo at Abrankese, or Kotoko Bofo Bechem, or Kotoko Bofo Kumasi, it's an advantage for Team Efeni Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and that is the news ever. Now the breaking news that Ghana Premier League giant has to focus and move their home matches to Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And a breaking news ever. What it means is that out to folk your matches about Baba Yara pressure the Basun and saying. As a result of the much anticipated Ghana Premier League match between Out to Folk and Asante Kotoko, ordinarily scheduled for Accra December 9th, news coming in indicates that the match will be played in Kumasi. March day 13. Out to Folk, which means that the Accra Sports Stadium is being shut down to prepare the venue for upcoming Christmas period and rented events. Tell him the kind of two when he said, I rent Accra Sports Stadium for Christmas. A baby, a thing. So the news coming in there said, a board member of Out to Folk, Elijah Kambi, air confirmed was a house from November 20th. And they are say, I've decided to move that Out to Folk will play at least their home matches at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium this year. So Mediama CAF Champions League on Baba Yara. Uti media. Good. Out to Folk, Baba Yara. That is the news coming in. Because they believe that they have fans who Kumasi power. And some about Kumasi Ebebwom. So Out to Folk is also coming to Baba Yara. That is the news that I'm picking. And but for Akatano Asante Kotoko, there is a possibility that the game will be played at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Olympics ain't decided because Asante Kotoko, Lagos Cities, Olympics, and Out to Folk, and Bofo. So the next away matches is looking good for Kumasi Asante Kotoko because Bofo home ban suspension. So if you are Bofo for decides someone check your music card, or bet you have Kumasi, Bechin, or even Abrankese, because the venue should be closer to the away team. Out to Folk Accra Sports Stadium Kunusunu, which means that Kotoko Olympics will be played here board of Baba Yara Sports Stadium, but it's possible it will be played at a different venue because December we are renting out Accra Sports Stadium. Initially, I was thinking, say, a bit me but the grade of the match and the expected revenue has been, news coming in just some person of the ball, Kumasi. So that is the advantage and the positive stories are for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In terms of the list of home matches are Eda Asante Kotoko anymore, SSL, and it makes sense. So Kotoko has go Kumasi a chita for the Kotoko chita for has a chita for the can make decent money from the game, and that is the news ever. Now I am Kotoko kakra. Asante Kotoko stories kakra or I met media amount there said. From the camp of Asante Kotoko, and then Kotoko need training, and then a rest day. The team rested. Into your channel and obey training. Into Kotoko hono in same baby ho. And then on training. Channel and a Kumasi Asante Kotoko obey training. For now, I know again, there was no injury issue, the exception of a fake. As a fake, he's playing with some element of pain in the and no tackles in the corner and these are the only news when it comes to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, my man found two and himself, but for a Katano issue, news coming is a police vote nipa baku. They've been able to arrest one person regards to a year but for Katano. And then issue a tremendous issue now. One more echo to share coach Masokonedu. And the almost Sakana news ever said, or met me a chinipa back. So let's see how we will call. But yeah, we share Masokonedu speedy recovery is a very, very unfortunate incident. And now to coach Efen Masokonedu. So these are the news. The good news is that Coach Masokonedu has been discharged from the hospital. And then in Semda Abba said a Free Hospital. That is the update. But there's no justification to defend Adiana Bofo Akatano for the year. There is no justification. Meaning, I've talked about this, and I'm happy to say police need someone sack any paba. And now, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Let me put this video on and give credit to whom credit is supposed to be given to. And I'm expecting the Ghana Football Association said, I'm on second video now, they should take us. A player of Mediama, former 11 Wonders former Ashko player, right back, very very talented, but issues of discipline. And again, referee no so no omunhwe video ni ye because the line edi kind and ensa e ka branche and the point is, why do you confront the referee with that tension? Every referee didn't sabo. So it looks like in some cases in FNS or more 94. But for there should be the big punishment for them. Because we must so crowd free man can be check a sepa na abo. Okay, what kind of saying what you say? Again, they should watch all the videos because we the one who say ya butu no ya bono and take the necessary action. For us, let's arrest somebody. Untimi no bi nya asem wo kwan ba bi mfa abambo ni tirimi nya wo dis are police petrol. So let's arrest somebody. That is what I believe. Say enchi obi na yemfa nya ade e beda ho. Ebe me nyina asua nyansa. Kotoko media maso no. They should watch the footage. And whether referee no na oye mfomso so ode ne nsa e wo kwadwa mwako ana kwadwa mwako na mfomso so approach referee no. They should look at all that and take the necessary verdict. Thank you very much.